Leopold Bourgouin, and I'm working with the ServeHAITI at the Central Health Center. And after the weekend, we realized, after assessing, volunteers were assessing, and the community health workers, and also the gift of water technician, we realized that our biggest threats, not that we expected, but we know it will come, it will be cholera. Because of all the rain that we have during the weekend and the lack of hygiene in our community. So we will need more support in that sense to help the people out. Meaning we will need more gift of water filtration system, meaning that we will need more well drilled in the region, and meaning we will need more gift of water technicians too, and more aquata, more materials to treat water. So we expect that with your good help that you will continue to support our efforts to help those people, because they are desperate and our vulnerability will create problem for us in the very near future. Thank you.